Here's a 1-minute tutorial to help you know how to use worship flags and be confident with your worship flagging movements. Don't forget to like and follow. I'm Andrea York with Catch the Fire Worship Flags, and this flagging movement tutorial is called The Battle Belongs to the Lord. You are already more than a conqueror because it was never your battle in the first place. It's a great movement for small spaces because the arms stay in front of your body. Similar to the declaration movement, it's quite simple. It's a very strong, effective dance movement. I'll demonstrate. With your arms alongside your body, begin with your dominant hand and raise your hand to shoulder level, wrist downward. Then move your arm downward in a diagonal direction across your body. When your hand is waist level across your body, make a quick figure 8 with your wrist whilst moving across your body at the waist, bringing your arm back to the original position. As your dominant arm moves into the original position, your other arm is moved up to the shoulder level. The wrist is facing downward. Repeat the same movement, moving your arm downward in a diagonal direction across your body. Repeat, crisscrossing your arms in front of you several times. Check out other flagging tutorials for movements to help you elevate your praise to the next level.